full automation multi-purpose parboiling and drying technology. We produce the complete range of machinery required for rice milling. We have a huge client base all over the world, with over 15,000 successful installations. The process of parboiling and drying is carried out in 4 main steps. 1. Pre-steaming. 2. Soaking. 3. Final steaming. 4. Drying. The parboiling system starts with a feeding elevator, which carries the cleaning raw paddy to the day bin. The day bin fitted with level sensors. These sensors stop the filling when it reaches the predetermined level. Pre-steaming. Parboiling process carried in 2 methods. One is hot water soaking. The second is by cold water soaking. The process depends on the customer needs and paddy quality. Using our online cooker-based pre-steaming process ensures uniform steaming of each and every grain. Paddy is now given thermal treatment. This thermal treatment depends on temperature and time. Thermal treatment mainly ensures uniformly distributed heat to every grain that increases the porosity of the husk. Our pre-steaming process ensures thermal treatment to increase the porosity of the husk, increase water absorption rate, significant reduction of soaking time. Once the paddy reaches the desired temperature, the rotary valve will be open and paddy is being discharged to soaking tanks. Soaking cooking process. The paddy soaking process consists of water feeding system, water circulation system, and draining system. These systems are all automatic. The sensors fitted on the tanks stops the paddy filling once it reaches prescribed levels. These sensors also stop further filling of water. Simultaneously, the automatic water circulation system is initiated. The cycle repeats several times to maintain the grain equilibrium. Each and every grain will undergo uniform gelatinization process in order to get the desired result in terms of color and characteristics. During the process of gelatinization, starch granules get deformed. The grain swells by approximately 18 to 20%. At the same time, nutrients are infused from the bran to the endosperm. After gelatinization, the moisture content of the paddy will increase up to 34% to 36%. Once the paddy reaches desired saturation levels, the soaking process is concluded. Paddy discharge. Vessel to belt conveyor, to elevator, to hopper, to online cooker filling. At the end of the soaking, we obtain gelatinized paddy. The gelatinized paddy is discharged to the belt conveyor, which in turn feeds to the elevator of the next level process in online cooker to further gelatinize the paddy to achieve the best degree of starch gelatinization, ensuring homogeneous parboiling results. Final steaming. The gelatinized paddy is then conditioned or thermally treated for a prescribed time. Based on the consumer color preference, this process monitored and controlled by the PLC. Online cooker is suitable for all paddy varieties. Completely automatic, continuous cooking system. Can be easily retrofitted to existing parboiling and drying plants. Once the paddy reaches the present temperature, the rotary valve will be open and paddy is being discharged to the fluidized bed cooler. AGI Milltech's fluidized bed cooler will cool down parboiled paddy and remove 4 to 5% surface moisture to avoid the discoloration during loading of the paddy and dryer. Reduce up to 2 hours drying time, depending upon the ambient temperature and relative humidity. Improve the drying performance and quality. Drying. The wet-cooled, parboiled paddy filler and dryer. Once the paddy reaches the desired level, then the paddy travels in recirculation mode. Once the paddy attains desired moisture, paddy stored in final storage bin. System designed to all types processing, like steam, double boiled, etc. System compatible to set parameters for desired color. Less broken and zero maintenance.